Yes, I still don't know how to spell the word acapella. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy day 12 of Vlogmas and Plan With Me Wednesday. This is the same thing I do all year round on my channel, is plan the upcoming week, which happens to be Monday, December 10th through Sunday, December 16th. But as always, before we get to next week, I will flip back to the week before and make sure that there is nothing that I need to finish checking off or finish planning. So it is Saturday right now. I have already done this one. I am not going to be able to film this one because the package I need for that has not arrived. Oh, I need to go fill these in. I did both of these. I have not done that one yet. And then there's definitely some things over here that I did not check off. We have not made our bed yet, and it is so late in the day. We probably won't, to be honest. But the rest of this I've done. I did that. I tidied. I did not do that. Did that. I did that. I did do that. Yep. And actually, Charlie's already had dinner tonight. So there we go. The only thing it looks like, well, I guess I can check this off because we're doing it now, that I need to fill in is Sunday night. And I knew this was happening when I planned last week. I just completely forgot about it. And to be honest, it will happen before this edit. So I shouldn't have put that there, but these stickers are not removable. I kind of wish it was right for my planner's sake, but at the same time, I like how this looks right next to each other. So tomorrow night with my friends, we are going to look at some amazing Christmas lights in Brooklyn. So use this little Christmas light guy from Oh Hello Stationery Co. And again, that is going to be right here, but it's all right. Not a big deal. So that is the end of this week. I still have a couple things I need to do tomorrow, and then we will be good to go. It's been a wonderful Hanukkah. Now it is time to plan this upcoming week, which I am using this winter kit from Oh Hello Stationery. I feel like I've been using a lot of their kits lately. So let's go ahead and start with the bottom. So she does provide strips that perfectly match the Erin Condren in terms of size. But what I think I'm going to do is pull in some washi. I want to pull in this teal because there isn't any of that down here. And then I try to use Simply Gilded every chance I get. I'm not one of those people that is trying to hoard their washi. So I'm going to use this white one. I am going to white out the line on the planner because it will show through this white washi. And it's not about that. It's worth the extra 3 seconds that it takes to white it out. Now we can start on the bottom. So normally I would be doing my Plan With Me on a Sunday, but I'm actually doing it on Saturday this week because tomorrow I am going to hang out with some friends and we are going to finalize our maybe not finalize, let's be real actually. I think most of us haven't even really started on them, but we're going to work on, let's use that phrase, our 2019 power sheets. I've talked about them a lot on this channel, so I don't want you to feel like I'm over promoting them because that's definitely not it at all. I just honestly need to work on them this weekend. And so some of my friends that have bought them that live here in the city, we're all going to get together and sort of motivate each other to work on our goals. I watched all of the prep week videos that the team posted last week and they were helpful. I mean, they weren't, to be honest, they weren't like life-changing. Not that I was expecting those to be life-changing, right? The power sheets are meant to be life-changing. I don't know. I feel like they didn't say a whole lot that I hadn't already like thought of going into it, but that's okay. I'm still glad I watched them and I'm excited to actually start writing in my power sheets this week as opposed to just putting it on sticky notes, which is all I've done so far. Okay, now let's go into the sidebar. I went ahead and did it in this blue color. Next week is blue too, so I need to make sure. I'm pretty sure it's the first one. I tried to squish them together a little bit so that I could stop having to cut the sticker that I put at the top. It looks like it worked. So where are the quote stickers? So none of these are primarily blue. I paused to actually think this through. I'm not going to do it in this order, and it's because of how these work out. I'm not going to try and use these big snowflake ones just because I want to try and cut these in half. So I'm going to use this one as the starter. And again, it'll all make sense once we get the actual week flowing. Okay, and then where's the decorative? Maybe I'll put one of these decorative ones on top. No, I don't like how that looks. Okay, now I'm going to put the check boxes. I am doing all full check boxes just because these only have 5 slots. Definitely need the space on Saturday and Sunday to have those extra slots. So I'm going to do the full box on every day, including Saturday and Sunday, which I don't always do. These ones are a little bit skinnier than the box. Like, not a ton, but just a smidge. I don't know. Normally it's not like that. Normally it's pretty darn perfect. It's kind of odd. Hopefully that's not going to bother me. I also chose the order based on, I like the silver falling on Sunday because it is Cowboys Day. I should have made the blue fall on Sunday, but there was only one blue checklist, so it had to be the habit sticker, day. I say day in quotes. But then silver is a Cowboys color too. So I made the silver fall on Sunday, and then I switched the teal and the pink because the pink had more like of the decorative full boxes, so I could use that on Friday. I won't need that on Saturday. So I don't forget this week because I did it last week. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the Spurs games. What I've done for the Spurs games in the past is use these little icon ones for ones that I won't use, and then covered up the icon with some sort of basketball. I don't know what happened there. Looks like I had a sticker there at some point, but then I struggled to get off. It feels like all the stickers that are part of this kit are a little bit skinnier. Kind of weird. I don't know what is going on there. And this blue one is also definitely way off cut. Look at that. Whoa. This one better? Yeah, this TV one is better. I'm going to use this one instead. I never really use any of these little icons anyway. Okay, and then what was the last day? Saturday. I don't know if I'm really going to watch any of these Spurs games. I watched one last week, which was awesome, against the Lakers, although I was watching it, and when they won, it was awesome. Of course, my dad was in the second row texting me, making me feel bad. So I grabbed these from Libby & Co. because these ones are literally perfect, but the blue one is not perfect. So how weird is it going to look? It's not so bad. I can live with it. All right, I feel like we should all be used to this by now. Next step is workout stickers. Switching it up again this week because I'm going to have a late night on Monday night again this week, just like last week. And it is due to Sam having a show, and the show doesn't start till 9 again. So there's no way I'm gonna get up and work out Tuesday morning. Now to do the time that I am at work. Now, normally I don't try to cut these in half because there's videos of me trying to cut them in half and I end up ruining them. But because these are so like symmetrically perfect, that is not a phrase. They're just, because there's like lines in them, they should be easier to cut in half. So I think I am going to try cutting them in half on the days that they need to be cut in half, or not even in half, but like they need to be cut. Okay, now to get in the days. So Monday night, there is Sam's show, which is not until later in the evening, so I'm gonna put that one. Well, I don't want that pattern to be next to each other, but I don't want that pattern to be next to each other. Oh, I don't know which one is better or worse. I'm just gonna do that. And then because his show isn't until 9:30, I'm just gonna stay at the office and edit until it's time to go. Should be a nice productive evening before I head out. Okay, and then Tuesday, I feel like my Tuesday routine is pretty consistent at this point. I have an appointment, and then I go to Trader Joe's, and then I come home. It's just the same old, so I'm gonna use this little box to edit. Pretty much my whole week is going, although am I gonna be able to fit? Where's the grocery one? Maybe I won't use this one. So as I was saying, pretty much my whole week is going to be editing. I'm trying to really get ahead before I go home for the holidays so that I don't have to do as much when I am home, and I can hang out with my family and just focus on them, and the only things that I'll have to edit while I'm home are vlogs. Wednesday, I actually don't have anything. So I will be just doing a lot of editing, but then I might try and relax a little bit. I'm gonna use this treat yourself sticker. I'm probably not gonna go shopping, but I'm gonna mark that as like relaxing, taking a bath. Thursday, I have the YouTube live, and guess what? more editing. I know. I told you that's literally all I'm going to do this week. So I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to put some sort of YouTube decorative on it and mark both, like edit and then live. The live will be at 8 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow, as of the day this video goes live. All right, Friday, I'm going to try and cram 2 things in. It might be a little bit ambitious. We're going to find out. So I have a birthday dinner for my friend at 8, and it's all the way out in Brooklyn. But I would like to try and quickly film something at home before that happens. I would like to come home from work and film and then go to the thing. And it'll make more sense when that video goes live. Oh man. Oops. Okay. We're just gonna leave that. It'll make more sense when that video goes live why I want to do that. Okay, Saturday, I need to figure out if I'm gonna do my plan with me and some other filming on Saturday or on Sunday. So I may not mark any of that right now. The only thing I will mark on Sunday is the football game. Look at these Charlie Chew marks. Goodness gracious, kitty. These are my stickers. When they have the 1 p.m. time slot, it is such a hit or miss whether I'm going to be able to actually watch the game. Because if there's a New York team that's playing on the same channel, I'm not going to get it. So I'm going to mark it, but there's a high probability I won't actually be able to watch it, and I'm not going out to watch it. So same thing with Sunday. I don't have any set plans. I likely will just be, yeah, you guessed it, filming and editing. So I'm gonna leave it. I don't like not planning the weekend with you, but sometimes that's just how it is. Okay, let's fill in a couple of little decorative type clarifiers here. So I'm gonna put that little edit sticker here. And then these cute little winter blobbies are just so perfect. And how cute is this one to mark Broadway Goes Acapella? Look at him singing. Okay, and then this one, same thing. And then this one, I'm gonna use, I was hoping there would just be like a generic. Well, or do I wanna use this guy? Or do I wanna use both? Yeah, maybe I wanna use both. And then this one, I am out of, I need like a small little guy. Luckily, I ordered like a bunch of sheets of these from her on Black Friday and they are shipped. So hopefully they will be here before Friday and I will use that to mark Friday. Now it is time to go in with the pen. I have this little sticky that has some to-dos that I need to do. Yes, we have not ordered holiday cards. I know. I'm gonna have to pay like expedited whatever to get them here and ready to go for the actual holiday, but that's all right. Two things I forgot. One is my wacky holiday stickers. I also forgot, well, that's not the sheet I wanted. Where did the, where'd it go? Oh, here it is. I forgot to do something with the weekend sticker. And if I do the half box checklist, I'll usually put it under there. Let me see, maybe I'll put it down here. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. The font on her weekend sticker isn't my favorite, but I like the way that looks anyways. All right, one last thing. If you watched the haul video where I talked about this kit, I was going through all the different holiday kits that I purchased for the year, for the end of the year. And I talked about how right after I ordered this kit, Kayla just sent it to me just because she thought I would like it. And she's very sweet and sends me things every now and again. So I'm not going to use it twice. I'm going to give it to one of you. All you have to do to enter is just comment below with what your favorite season is. Obviously, this one is very wintry themed, and she has a lot of other cute kits for other seasons as well. But just comment below with your favorite season, and I will pick a winner for this kit 1 week after this video goes live. And that is it. It is a pretty busy week. I mean, there's not a whole lot of events. There's a couple, and then mostly I just want to get a really far head start on editing because I am going home this day. So I want to get lots of editing out of the way so that I can enjoy my family time when I get there. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and every day during December for Vlogmas. Thank you so much for watching. Happy planning!